Looking for a simple way to access your SATA solid-state drives or hard drives without hassle? This too. 5/3. 5 SATA docking station delivers exactly that: fast, reliable, and versatile access for drive imaging, data recovery, and backups. Whether you're an IT professional or just need a dependable tool to manage your drives, this dock makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. I recently upgraded my setup with this docking station, and the difference was immediate. Connecting it through USB 3.1 Gen 2 or eSATA, I tapped into the full speed potential of my latest SSDs and HDDs. The vertical drive insertion design made swapping drives effortless, no fumbling or complicated steps. Plus, the quick ejection button meant I could remove drives safely and fast, saving valuable time during backups. It came with all the cables I needed, including USB-A to USB-C and USB-A to USB-B, so compatibility with my older devices was never an issue. What really stands out is how well built this dock feels: sturdy, durable, and backed by a 2-year warranty. It plugged right into my motherboard's Thunderbolt 3 ports without a hitch, and the included 3-foot cable fit perfectly on my desk setup. After running several backup tests on Windows 10, I was impressed with the consistent, high performance. If you're looking for a reliable SATA docking station that covers all the bases: speed, ease of use, and compatibility, this one is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to streamline your data management and protect your drives with confidence.